How to see Spotify history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for recents. Tap on the recent option you see there, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view your Spotify history. So simply scroll down and you will be able to view all your Spotify history along with the dates of that particular day and the songs that you have listened in that particular day. So this is how you can see Spotify history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.